Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will learn how to send Slack channel message for Unbounce form submission. So here let's say that you have created an Unbounce form, and whenever a new form submission is done, then by using the same form details, you wish to send a Slack channel message to your team. So to do that, we have to build an integration between Unbounce and Slack. So to do that, I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Unbounce and my action application will be Slack. So to learn how I set up this integration between these two applications, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will learn that how you can send Slack channel message for Unbounce form response. So here let's say that whenever you receive a Unbounce form response, then by using the same form response, you want to send a channel message to your team in Slack. So to set up this automation, I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and at the time of account creation, you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I will simply sign in. This is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I need to click on this Create Workflow button on my right hand side corner. And here in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So I have named it as Send Slack channel message for Unbounce form response. And over here on my left hand side, these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to create this workflow in the folder named as Slack. So now I will simply click on Create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically, action is the response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple actions. So moving further on this trigger window, as my use case suggests that to send Slack channel message for Unbounce form response. So in this trigger window, I will be searching for the trigger application as Unbounce, and here it is. After selecting the trigger application, I need to select the trigger event that will be new form submission. So now moving further, you can see a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. This webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect Unbounce with Pabbly Connect. So to do that, I will take you to my Unbounce account. So over here, this is my page. I will select it, and now I will go to integrations. Over here, I will go to webhooks, and now here you can see that I don't have any webhook on this page. So to add a new one, I will click on this add webhook button, and over here I need to mention the webhook URL. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will copy the webhook URL, and now I will simply paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, I will go to Save Changes. And here you can see that the webhook is added successfully. And here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. So now I will take you to my Unbounce form. Over here, I have added the dummy details. And now to make a test submission, I will simply click on Submit. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have received the response. Here you can see the page URL, page name, page ID, along with some other details. Scrolling down, here you can see that the details which were filled in the form, you can see the phone number, you can see the last name, along with the details like first name, last name, and at what date it was submitted. So here the response is captured successfully. So this means now whenever a new form submission will be done, then this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So moving further, as my use case was to send Slack channel message for Unbounce form response. So now I want to send a Slack channel message to my team. So to do that, I will go to this action window. As my action application, I've selected Slack. Moving to the action event, that will be to send channel message. So now after selecting the action application and action event, I will simply click on Connect to establish a connection between Pabbly Connect and Slack. And now over here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection by clicking on Connect with Slack. So as of now, I will go with the existing connection. And here you can see that Slack and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So over here, moving to channel. So in my Slack account, these are the channels which I have created. So this is the channel name, that is Unbounce Clients. So going back to Pabbly Connect, over here in channel, from the drop down, I will select my channel name as Unbounce, and here it is. So after selecting my channel, moving to the message. Over here, I need to enter the message which I want to send. So over here, I have framed the message that goes as, "Hello team, below mentioned are the details of new interested client. Reach out to this client on priority." And over here, these are the details that goes as name, email and phone. So over here in name, I will map the name from the response received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So over here from the form submission, over here I will search for the name, and here is the first name. I have mapped it. Now I will map the last name, and I have mapped it. Moving to email, so again from the response received, I will search for email and I have mapped it. Moving to phone number, again from the response, I will map it. So here I have mapped. So now why I have mapped the name, email and phone? Because I want whenever a new form submission will be done, then automatically these old details should be replaced with the new ones and this workflow should run smoothly. So now whenever a new form submission will be done, these old details will be replaced by the new ones and the message will be sent to my team in Slack with the updated details, that is with the new details that the form has captured. So this way mapping helps. So over here moving to image URL, image alt text, bot name and bot icon. So if you want to mention these fields, you can go with the same. If you want to add the image URL, you can do that. And if you want to add the image alt text, so you can do that as well. So moving to bot name, if you want to specify the bot name, so you can specify it over here, or you can go with the existing one. If you want to add the bot icon, so over here you can specify the bot icon URL over here. As of now, I'm leaving these fields blank and I'm moving ahead with my automation. So over here, I will simply click on save and send test request to see the response. So here I have received the response and this is a positive response. Here you can see the message content that we have framed. So now I will take you to my Slack channel. And here you can see that in Slack, the message which we have framed is successfully sent. So the message goes as, "Hello team, below mentioned are the details of new interested client. Reach out to this client on priority, name dummy customer along with the email and the phone number." So that means this integration between Unbounce and Slack was successful. So now whenever a new form submission will be done, then automatically a channel message will be sent in Slack.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.